Goodyear on a black and red Suzuki. Here comes Jake. Wheelies all the way down the full 550 feet of the Thompson Speedway front straightaway. And Mike Angerman. All right, now let's see what they can do. The more you cheer them on, obviously, the more they're going to want to do. And it looks like they are about ready to get pretty darn serious here. Look at the ramps to go on our infield pit road. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, those are for our extreme MX bike riders. You can see where every precaution has been taken in service. And inflated backwards in the event that something should go wrong. It is done. One thing we want to make sure that all of you youngsters, and perhaps even the adults are aware of. No matter how easy something might appear to be, these clicks, these thrills, these amazing stunts take years and years of practice. And that's what we mean. Up there! Mike Angerman and Jake Goodyear. You can see both riders in full gear, full protective gear, and let's see what we have next. We're going to watch for cliffhangers, for a super seat trap. We're going to look for can-cans. And we're going to look for a couple of them. Up to here and over and back down. Amazing riding by both Angerman and Goodyear. Jake is up the way. For the seat grabber. And here we go. Another Superman. Wow. Oh, picture perfect. Absolutely gorgeous. Let's see what Angerman. Whoa. They're going to check. They're going to get it. See, let me do the thing. There we go. Unbelievable. What a great show from Mike Angerman and Jake Goodyear. We thank you very much for helping us out with it. Good night, y'all. Thanks for coming out. Thanks for supporting us. Mike, congratulations. Boy, that was an incredible show. I know that Brett was talking to us about the effect the wind probably had on you guys, but nonetheless, you went ahead and just did it there. What a great job.
Yeah, we're having a lot of fun out there. The wind was really strong. We had to keep watching the flag to see when it was gusting. But we're out there just throwing a good show and had a good time.
That backflip was incredible. Great job. Congratulations. Thank you very, very much for being with us. Mike Angerman, let's talk to Jake for just a second here. Jake, welcome to Thompson. Hope you had as good a time as Mike did.
Yeah, had a pretty good time. I mean, we had to be careful and watch the flag the whole time, a little bit windy. But did what we could for you guys, and hopefully you guys enjoyed it.
Well, I guess they sure did, because there were cheers and screams and applause.